It's been a long, long time since everything was cool. I should have seen it coming, but I guess I'm not the only fool. There's something growing on the outside, too much missing on the inside. Should I waste my time and let you lead me on and on and on and on, waiting for the day when I'm complete without you? I'm doing what I can to let you be, making sure there's nothing showing on the outside. Something's dying on the inside. I'm still broken, but I'm free. I'll see you on the flip side.